Hello, Fanatics! With our review of The Founder coming out this week, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! The Social Network is a biographical drama directed by David Fincher, starring Jesse Eisenberg, Andrew Garfield, and Justin Timberlake. It follows the story of Mark Zuckerberg as he creates the social networking site Facebook. This film has similar themes and pacing. There are no unsuitable scenes. The Pursuit of Happyness is a biographical drama directed by Gabriel Musino, starring Will Smith, Thandie Newton, and Jaden Smith. It follows the story of a struggling salesman who takes custody of his son as he attempts to get his life together. This film has similar themes and pacing. There are no unsuitable scenes. The Wolf of Wall Street is a biographical comedy directed by Martin Scorsese, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Jonah Hill, and Margot Robbie. It follows the story of Jordan Belfort, from his rise to wealthy stockbroker to his fall and inevitable demise. This film has similar themes and cutthroat characters. There are many scenes involving strong sexual content, drug use, and extreme profanity. Saving Mr. Banks is a biographical drama directed by John Lee Hancock, starring Emma Thompson, Tom Hanks, and Paul Giamatti. It follows the story of author P.L. Travers as she reluctantly agrees to meet with Walt Disney, who is interested in adapting her Mary Poppins novel into a film. This film has similar comical elements, themes, and pacing. There are no unsuitable scenes. Joy is a drama directed by David O. Russell, starring Jennifer Lawrence, Robert De Niro, and Bradley Cooper. It follows the story of a female inventor who rises to become the founder of a powerful family business. This film has similar themes and pacing. There are no unsuitable scenes. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did The Founder. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or to the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review, where we discuss the film The Founder. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. We post new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.